India's scorching summer, a star's perspective. From the vantage point of space we see Earth as a vibrant blue oasis. Yet zoom in on India during summer and you'll find a land painted in shades of fiery orange and red. This year the Indian subcontinent faced an especially brutal heat wave with temperatures soaring to unprecedented levels. Millions felt the sun's relentless glare, a stark reminder of our planet's changing climate. But why does India experience such extreme heat? As an astrophysicist, I'm fascinated by the cosmic dance of planets and stars. But to understand Earth's climate we must look closer at the interplay of geography, weather patterns, and yes, our own actions. Join me as we explore the science behind India's scorching summers. We'll delve into the heart of the subcontinent, examining the geographic factors that amplify the heat. From the towering Himalayas to the vast Thar Desert, India's unique landscape plays a crucial role in shaping its climate. Land of extremes, geography's role in the heat. India, a land of breathtaking contrasts where towering mountains, sprawling plains and arid deserts coexist. This dramatic landscape shapes the extreme temperatures we experience. The majestic Himalayas stand tall, blocking the cold northern winds. This barrier traps heat, intensifying the warmth across the subcontinent. To the south, the vast Thar Desert amplifies the heat. With its barren landscape, the desert acts as a colossal heat sink, radiating warmth far and wide. This interplay of geographic features creates a perfect storm, setting the stage for India's scorching summers. Picture a giant oven, with the Himalayas as its walls and the Thar Desert as its heating element. This vivid imagery helps us understand how geography makes India more vulnerable to intense heat waves. The climate dance monsoons and global weather patterns. Beyond geography, India's climate is also influenced by powerful weather patterns, both local and global. The most significant of these is the monsoon, a seasonal wind system that brings heavy rainfall to the subcontinent. During summer, moist air from the Indian Ocean flows towards land, bringing much-needed rain. However, before the monsoon's arrival, a period of dry, hot weather sets in, leading to soaring temperatures. But the monsoon's behavior is not always predictable. Global climate phenomena like El Niño and La Niña can disrupt its patterns, leading to delayed rains and prolonged heat waves. These complex interactions between local and global weather systems make India's climate a delicate balancing act, vulnerable to disruptions. Our warming planet. Human impact on India's climate. While natural factors play a significant role, we cannot ignore the impact of human activities on India's climate. As our planet warms due to greenhouse gas emissions, India is experiencing the consequences firsthand. Rapid urbanization, deforestation, and industrial emissions are exacerbating the heat. Cities, with their concrete jungles and lack of green cover, trap heat, creating urban heat islands. Deforestation, driven by the need for land and resources, removes trees that act as natural air conditioners, further amplifying temperatures. And then there are the emissions. Factories, vehicles, and power plants release massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and contributing to global warming. This warming effect intensifies heat waves, making them more frequent, longer-lasting, and more severe. Section 5. Feeling the heat consequences for India and its people. The consequences of these soaring temperatures are far-reaching, impacting every aspect of life in India. From health and agriculture to daily routines, the heat takes its toll. Heat waves can lead to heat stroke, dehydration, and other heat-related illnesses, putting immense pressure on healthcare systems. Farmers face crop failures and livestock losses, impacting livelihoods and food security. Water resources dwindle, leading to shortages and conflicts. Daily life is disrupted as people struggle to cope with the unbearable heat. Outdoor activities become unbearable, schools and businesses are forced to shut down, and the very fabric of society is tested. Section 6. Facing the future. A call to action. Understanding the reasons behind India's extreme heat is not merely an academic exercise. It is a call to action, a reminder that we are all stakeholders in the fight against climate change. We must act now to mitigate the impact of future heat waves. Investing in renewable energy, promoting sustainable urban planning, and protecting our forests are crucial steps. Section 7. Beyond the heat, India's climate resilience. India, with its long history of resilience and innovation, is rising to the challenge. From traditional water harvesting techniques to cutting-edge renewable energy projects, the country is developing innovative solutions to combat climate change. The government is implementing policies to promote energy efficiency, invest in public transport, and create heat action plans to protect vulnerable populations. Local communities are reviving traditional knowledge and practices to adapt to the changing climate. Section 8. Our Shared Journey: Global Cooperation for a Cooler Future. India's story is not unique. Across the globe, countries are grappling with the impacts of climate change. From rising sea levels to extreme weather events, the consequences are being felt everywhere. This is a global challenge that requires a global response. We must work together, sharing knowledge, technology, and resources to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. As we look to the future, let us remember that the choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet. Let us choose wisely, for the sake of India, for the sake of Earth, and for the sake of generations to come.